Calipers on disc brakes operate similar to bicycle brakes. With the pressure of hydraulic fluid, brake pistons press the pads against the brakes. Brake fluid attracts moisture, becomes contaminated, and compromises braking performance that may require caliper replacement. A test strip shows how well the fluid is protecting the brake system. The BG Brake Service removes all the old fluid and replaces it with new high-temp Formula DOT3 or DOT4 brake fluid. Brakes are your most important safety system, so it pays to have them inspected regularly. This BG Brake Service includes free lifetime coverage with the BG Protection Plan.